Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to recover deleted photos and videos from Android phones. First of all, open up the settings of your phone. Once you get into your phone settings, scroll down here. Then from the settings, click on the apps option. Now scroll down in apps until you find the My Files option. Go into My Files options and then click on Force Stop. After that, go into the storage option from here. Then tap to Clear Cache from here. Now open up the Play Store on your phone, and from Play store it on the search bar. Then search for Happy Apps Free. You have to install this app. Once you install it, tap to open it. After opening up the app, choose to allow the app to recover your deleted data. Now tap on the Recover Files option, and you can recover images, videos, and audio, or you can use the Scan Media Recovery option. Then you can scan images, videos, and audio from here. After that, you can restore all of your deleted photos or videos. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.